Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check in RBC Bank App. First thing I want you to do once you launch the app, come to the bottom navigation bar, click on Move Money, and then from here click on Deposit a Check. Now here you agree to the terms, click on Continue, and you need to take photos of the front of the check and the back of the check. We'll start with the front, just click on this icon, and then click on Continue. It'll give you these tips. Make sure you adhere to these so you don't have any error issues. Click on Continue. Make sure everything is visible. Use a darker background. Use the photo. Do the same thing with the back of the check. Take the photo, use photo, then you enter the amount as per the check right here, $5. Click on Done. And then you choose the account you're depositing into. So choose that right here. Let's say checking account. Click on Continue and then click here on Deposit Now. And you'll see a confirmation here with all of the information here as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. Really helps me out as well.